guys? What's up everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a good day. Now today I have some very exciting news, very good news slash very cool parts, or part I guess I could say. But first, remember when I said that I had changed out my old stock struts? Yeah, well, those are blown. They're totally blown. So today, first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and change those out. I think you guys seen the garage before, right? Well, it's kind of getting a little bit more messy again. We're trying to maintain it, try to do that, but it's so hard. It's still efficient enough for me to go ahead and bring everything out and, you know, do everything that I need to do with it. So, oh man, and then you know what? I just watched the G like a day ago, and man, it's looking so clean, so clean. Look at it. Ooh, it's a little bright, but she's looking real nice. Real nice. I really want to clean the wheels more, but yeah, she's looking real clean, and it's been really nice lately, and I'm ready for car show season. Car season is pretty much upon us. Now I know if you guys remember, but the reason why I changed these out is because I thought that this would help out with the new strut, which it didn't. They're pretty bad, so I went ahead and I'm gonna change them out again. Alright, so I just finished up putting in the stock struts back in. I don't know, it just seems like it was better before, so that's why I did it. It was like really clanky, and it sounded like I was just had no suspension in the back. Like it just sounded like I was like, yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. So I ended up changing them back to the stock things. It's gonna be the same. They were KYBs, but I thought they were gonna be good. Maybe that's why that guy gave them to me. But anyway, back to the other point. So I actually never tried this waterless car wash before from Chemical Guys. I'm just gonna spray down the car real quick and see how it looks. Yeah, and I'm gonna really clean my wheels. I really want to clean my wheels really good, so I'm just gonna spray my wheels and you know, clean the face of them, you know, really good. And hopefully this does the trick to clean them really good. So let's do this. So, just got done with everything. Gonna ride in the car, see if it's any better, see if it's any worse. And I also got something in the back seat. I'm just gonna show you a quick little glimpse of what it is real quick. It's gonna be legit. Oh, that's all I'm gonna show you guys. Well, just watch until the end of the video. Just watch, okay? I know you probably already know what it is by the title, all right? You probably already know. Just watch until the end. I'm actually heading over to my son's t-ball practice, and I'm gonna, yeah, like I said, I just want to test drive to see how these work. And I cleaned up the wheels. Oh man, I love having a clean car. It's like, I don't know, man, it's just like having that fresh feeling, and like even the interior is clean. It's like, you know, bro. Just kidding, I'm not really that bad. Yeah, so I just got on the road, and driving down, you know, hitting some bumps, I could tell it's like night and day difference. So those KYBs were blown. It's nothing against that guy, maybe he knew they were blown or whatever, but you know, at the same time, I didn't know that. He could have told me like, hey, the rears are blown, you just keep your rear stocks and just use the springs, you know, whatever. But you know, but it's night and day. I'm so pumped right now that they're back to normal. I was afraid that I did something wrong, or like just something happened and, you know, something wasn't right. But I'm glad that it's okay. I'm glad that it's good. All right, so made it here to Herman's house. We are currently prepping the G to wrap the roof. It's a big thing that there's a big thing that I've always wanted to do to the G, especially since this little piece on the car is peeling. See that? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand this down, just like the edges, just for now, just so that you can get rid of some of that paint that's, you know, currently peeling already. and then so it's cleaner, so that we can go ahead and make sure we have a good contact, good overlay on the actual roof. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. And I have a pretty cool color that I'm pretty hyped on. I haven't actually seen it in person, but it's called gold dust. What the fuck?
Get you?
Yeah.
I watched John Wick earlier, bro.
So yeah, we are currently cleaning the roof, and make sure like get into these creases and all this, because that's where you're gonna tuck it, and you don't want it to come out like right on there, because it's eventually gonna fucking try to come off. You want to do everything in your power pretty much to prevent any fuck ups, I guess.
For real, huh? Ready?
Yeah.
Go for it. Pull it out. You just pushed it back in. Come on, Chris. That pull-out game's got to be stronger than that, bro. Oh, well that's cool, dude. It's got like a flake, huh?
Yeah. That's all I want to do.
That's dope.
Yeah, so they didn't send me a blade and a squeegee, so we're gonna have to go to Walgreens and get one. So, but for right now, this is what we have. It's just laying on the roof. We cut it out already, and I don't know if you can tell on camera, but there's flake in there, and it's pretty lit. I like it. Gold dust. So Herman got his car back. I didn't let you guys know. I didn't get to vlog the whole process of him fixing his car, but he got a new clutch.
You can say 'cause I was so fucking impatient.
Well, no. I mean, I couldn't fucking come over and help you and then also vlog at the same time. So he was like, he got his stuff, and then I couldn't come over and all that. So it's you know, it's my fault. But yeah, he got his car back, and I'm so fucking happy to see this thing back on the road. Freaking, it was like 2 months since he had it down. You guys go check out that video. It's up here. I think it's up what are these fucking things? A card. Go check the card of us removing his transmission. So, but yeah, it's back to that bag life.
This is my stage 1 Z-speed budget. Just kidding.
We get it, you babe. So we got the window film and squeegee because we didn't get one from Metro Restyling. The hell, bro. But got it. Now we're gonna start wrapping this thing. And we're done. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Alright, so we got like half. Well, we're pretty much done. We've laid it down already. Had some trouble. I don't know what happened to this roof. I don't know what's going on with it, but for some reason the paint's like really peeling bad. So next thing probably to do after this wrap would be to repaint it. I'm sure it won't be too much, maybe like 200 bucks or something like that. So the problem was when we lifted it up, the wrap again to like lay it back down, it pretty much took the paint with it. Which sucked, but we were like, what, bro? Like, what the fuck happened? And then I was like, oh shit, well, fuck it, just send it. So we fucking laid it down still, and there's nothing we can really do about it. So, but it should stay down. Herman's doing the sunroof, so I'm just watching, helping him when he needs some help or something. And but pretty much got it all pretty good underneath. It looks really good from the back too. It looks really decent. I think it's gonna look pretty sick. Like, you'd have to really come to it and look at it to make sure that it's good. But you know, shit happens like that. Shit happens like that. Can never predict it. Never.
I was gonna say like my fucking window.
Oh yeah, your tint.
Yeah.
So, you know, sometimes you plan things and sometimes it just doesn't happen the way you want it. So, but it's okay. Yeah, it looks good. I think it looks good. So I'll just run with it for a while and then eventually maybe I'll get another wrap or I'll get it repainted. So, but for right now, maybe like for a while, I'll just keep doing this. All right, so we just got done with everything, tucked everything in. I freaking love it. Looks good. Like I said, we just had a couple of hiccups, but other than that, it looks clean, bro. Clean. That out. Next to Herman over here. See, I covered up that paint over here. It's just that area over there. You guys can't really tell unless you really look. Alright guys, let me know in the comments section below what you guys think I should do. Should I repaint it? Should I just sand it down? Should I just and then rewrap it or do something else with it? Let me know. Alright guys, check you guys in the next one. Peace out. Remember to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.